How to install LiveChat on amoCRM. Make your contacts list stronger than ever, by facilitating LiveChat and amoCRM. With just a few easy steps, you will be able to extend your company's reach, ensuring that no chat visitor will stay unattended. 1. Log into your amoCRM and proceed to the settings section. 2. Next, go to the integrations section. 3. From the list of available integrations, choose LiveChat. 4. Copy the chat ends webhook URL, generated by amoCRM. 5. Now, go to webhook section in your LiveChat settings. There, click on add a webhook. 6. Choose chat ends as an event. 7. In the data type section, mark the following options: chat, visitor, pre-chat survey, and in the target URL, paste the chat ends URL, taken from amoCRM. To proceed, click on add a webhook. 8. To finalize the process, go back to amoCRM and copy the chat starts URL and repeat steps. 9. Now, go back to webhook section in your LiveChat settings and add a new chat starts webhook, by repeating steps 5 to 7. Done. From now on, every time a visitor will start or finish a chat with you, his data will be transferred over to amoCRM. Use this opportunity to grow your contacts list.